Oh, so so every time that I start this application, it is like making a new world or what? Because I created already one. We don't need a new one. Yeah. Let's use this one. Close. Don't save. Then I need to. Which one is that? No. Is this the right window that is here, or is another window? I don't know. Maybe now it's the right window. Did it change? Is it changing? Yes. Okay, it's working. So this is the right window. And then I need to change on. Okay. Oh, okay. It switched automatically, apparently. The window, even though I closed the other one. So hello and welcome to all people that are watching. So I'm doing the R language. Did yesterday R language, which is a statistical language used at universities, and we're doing today Lua. I was looking into it a long time ago, but I'm thinking about it, and it makes sense that we could start from there because the language is easier to learn than other languages, and you get you can even use a program such as Roblox Studio to have like the visual part of the language, like to apply stuff from the language in a 3D world. So I think it's easier to learn like this. That's why, even though this language is unfortunately not much known, not much used not much. It's not a very popular language. Let's say that. But still, I think it's nice that you can at least have learn the basics of a language with a program that is used. Yeah, that is used. Yeah, so at least this program is popular, very popular. While in other cases that I checked, other like editors, other how do you say, other programming. Hello, hello, Bunny. How you doing? How you doing? Um, how was the game yesterday? Dwarf Fortress. I was saying that at least this Roblox Studio is for free, and yeah, but I think the main point is with this Roblox Studio one can learn a very simplified programming language such as Lua. Yeah, negative Negative point is that the negative side to this is that Lua is not a well-known language. That's the only negative side that I find. Unfortunately, you're not using C++ here, like. But programming languages at this level of complexity, such as programming languages used in game development, they are like they are more difficult to learn. So if you are beginning, I think this one is maybe the best option that you have. So that's why, even though it's not popular, this language, Lua, I think the Roblox Studio is a good place to start if you want to learn game development. Anyway, but I don't know about these things. I just researched myself, so what's going on? Yeah. So yes, and yesterday we did a statistical language called R, and that language I also find is a good way to start, because instead of starting directly with object-oriented programming, which is more abstract and stuff like that, I think that it's easier to start with like a language such as R, that is an old language, is older than Python, that is used in university for research purposes. So the focus of the language is this is a specific focus of the language, which is doing research, which is making statistics. So you don't use this language like in Python. It's not a language like Python. R is not a language like Python. Python has many uses many way you can use Python, and so it's easier if you are beginning with Python to lose focus, because you have a lot of libraries, you have a lot of these programs that you use to learn Python, etc. And so I think if one wants to learn something, one has to start very small, so that you don't so you can concentrate on only one aspect. For instance, and that's why I think that R is also a good place to start, because you can focus only on things that are not like programming, basically. Like in R, you can start like from stuff that is not as abstract. For instance, the opposite would be you start with Java. But if you start with Java, you have everything is very abstract. Everything is object-oriented programming, which is more complicated. But if you start with R, you can just start from like the structures, data structures, and you can analyze. You can do more analytics, basically. You can analyze these structures, and you can learn the basics of programming without having too many libraries like in Python. So that's why we're doing this. So of course, I heard that also that if that good place to start is also web development. Then you would start with JavaScript, for instance. And there are ways also to use. Hello, Beehive. How are you doing? How are you doing? There are also other ways uh, to learn JavaScript. You can even create. There is like a browser editor where you can create. You can write JavaScript code and make your own Minecraft world. I saw something like that. I don't remember the name now. It's something from Microsoft. That might be a good option, I think, also to learn JavaScript. Yeah. And then good, very good. Yes. Do have you I am just learning the Lua, so I'm not making any game game. So for now, I'm just learning this how this editor works, the language. Yeah, I'm not. I'm new to programming, so I'm learning another language that is used at university, and I'm learning this language so that at least when I'm streaming, I can show something to other people instead of just code. Is it possible to make games on iPhone? Yes, of course. There are ways to make games on iPhone, um, but I don't remember the editors. I would have to look into it. Um, there are editors on iPhone where you can make 2D games. Yeah, you can make 2D games. Mm, yeah, I think there's one on browser that I was testing it. Apparently, it's possible to stream that, but you need to stream it from browser. So if you want to stream it anyway, but there is something because there are some mainly I think there are these websites that offer you like for free that you learn a language and you can make like small games basically with that language. But I think the best would be you only have iPhone. Yeah, if you have like PC, you don't need a strong PC. You can use you can probably try Scratch. I think it's called Scratch. I need to Google it. I think it's called Scratch. But there are because I remember I saw like I tried one on mobile, but you can only make like 2D games, and it's actually built like this game that I'm about to show you. Scratch. Yeah, Scratch is called. The name of this game editor, programming editor is called Scratch. So there are many people that start over there because with Scratch you can. It's like a puzzle game basically. Like you have all these blocks and you can combine them and make your own game basically. But on mobile, I don't remember the name now, right now, of the editors. Mm, Unfortunately, yeah. I have a new computer, so I don't really uh, know how to remember those names. I might Google it for you. I might send it to you. Do you have a Discord, Beehive? If you have a Discord, I can send you the name when I find it. So, but anyway, okay, so there is an Hello World. We are going to learn about Hello World. So basically, when you start to start a new language, normally there is a program that you do. The first program you do is Hello World program. So in one has in Roblox Studio, you have access to multiplayer servers, physics, lighting systems, world building tools, monetization system, and etc. So there's a lot of stuff that you can try and learn. Okay, yes. Also there are the templates. So let's check these templates. I also tried other editors where you can have like this editor, a 3D example, but they are not. They are really not known. So what do we have here? So if I make a new, then you can make it in template, or is it from here the template, or you need to do it from somewhere else? Test. Yeah, because normally, yes, if you start a new project, like if I say new, what does it do? It starts automatically a new project. I see. Ah, okay, okay. So now it started a new project. And do I need to use this project or the other window? Huh, that's the question. Um, okay. So we start with the base plate, the template. Oh, I see, I see. So we need to start from another way. So I need to change the window now. So we do, instead of doing this, we do the other window, which is mm, base. And also, if you want to use a Roblox Studio, you need to install Roblox Studio. So it's not the same program as the game Roblox. It's another program. Yeah. So I need to change the window. The window is over here, and then we do place one. Yeah, there you go. Then I need to change it on Twitch as well. Change the window. What is the other window? Where's the other window? Okay. Okay. Then I close the other one. Yeah, I think so. Let's just close the other window, which we don't need. This one. So So the toolbar ribbon, I think it's like this probably, if I remember correctly, because a ribbon is the same word that I already saw, English word that I already saw when I was learning about Excel offerings. Toolbar ribbon change. So we select a menu tab. Where are the tabs in this program? But anyway, you have select an object to move an object. You have scale, resize an object. You have rotate an object. Scale, yeah, scale, rotate, transform. So scale, move, okay, resize, rotate, precisely manipulate an object. You have geometric, toggle between transforming objects geometrically or with physics simulation. Create a new part, terrain, character, part, create a new part, and edit terrain. Choose from a selection of pre-made animation rigs to create. Create a new GUI container. Yeah, it's also cool that you can do terraforming. Yeah, but it's I mean it's an editor, so I'm not surprised. Not many games have terraforming. Choose from a selection of pre-made animation rigs to create. Create a new GUI container script. Okay, then you have the script. Yeah, so it means that there you can enter the code. Import content from a file, select the material to use, select color and apply to parts. Lock, toggle whether an object can be selected. Anchor, toggle whether an object is immovable by physics. View a list of objects in the workplace. View properties of objects. Insert items from the toolbox. View asset manager. But I think with tabs it means this one basically. These are the tabs. So one can add. These are the tools basically actually. So one can use the select tool or the move tool. I see. Yeah, that's the toolbar. Yeah, toolbar. Yeah. Yeah, there are also these assets which are at the end here, asset manager. Okay, and one can also use Blender 3D to create other assets. I see. I see. So basically, there is a way to create something from Blender 3D and upload it into Roblox. Cool. That's cool. Studio includes a set of mesh editing tools. Okay, then we have a mesh editing as well. And mesh are, from what I remember, mesh is the texture, I think, something like that. And they are to customize the 3D models. Customize the models. So customize the assets, basically. Hmm. So on the 3D editor, you can have the view of the world with the right mouse button. Okay, if I push right, okay, right mouse button, I can change the camera. Yeah, that's basic, basically. Okay. And I can also use the keys to move, to reposition the camera. Okay, what is the audio? Okay, audio is here. Question is, do I need to make my microphone louder? Not really, because I think I lowered it before because I was testing. Okay, let's do it like this. Yeah, I think it was it was too low. So what else? I also need this window so that I can see the microphone. There you go. Okay, so, and then let's check this. Okay, right mouse button, then WASD keys to reposition the camera. There is an Explorer window. And what is that? Explorer window. Okay, this one, Explorer window. Below right. Mm-hmm. So with Explorer window below right, one can access every key asset or system in the game. Yes, and one I think drags the objects from the Explorer window into the world. I used to I used to play in a game editor. It was like a mix of a game editor and a game and an online game. So it was different than Roblox Studio. It was called Second Life, and in Second Life one could create a world, and at the same time one could open this world to other people, and people could visit you while you were creating stuff. But I guess you can do the same also in Roblox Studio, probably. But Roblox Studio has different worlds apparently. So in Roblox Studio you have all these worlds separated from each other. But I think also in Second Life was the same, because you have also these worlds that are separated from each other. But on Second Life you can travel between the worlds. Yeah, so basically Second Life is like Roblox Studio, but you can travel between the worlds, while on Roblox you need to, I don't know if you can travel, if I can travel from Roblox with Roblox Studio to another world, or Roblox Studio is only for my world that I'm creating. I don't know. Anyway, it's funny that now that I think about it, it's funny that Second Life has a similar Explorer window to has a similar Explorer window to Roblox Studio. So in the properties window, so there is properties window, and there is studio settings. Okay, this one, properties window. Just above mm, yeah, just above Explorer there is properties, filter properties. There is nothing on it. I don't know. Maybe because I haven't selected anything. If I select this, yeah, of course. If I select this object, then one has the properties, filter properties, appearance, color, material, reflection, etc. Size, origin, pivot, behavior, collision, part, assembly, etc. Yes, mm. So Explorer window. Properties window is to make changes to objects in the game. So is my microphone loud enough? I think I watched the live. It was kind of loud. Not really sure. Yes, I lowered it a little bit. Hmm. I don't know. I hope it's okay. Yeah, it has. It does remember me. It does. This Roblox Studio is a lot like Second Life. Mm. But I've never understood Second Life. There were sometimes courses on Second Life on how to build and etc. But they were no program. I don't know about programming courses on Second Life. Do they have Second Life as a category on on TikTok? I don't think so. There is not even a category of Second Life on TikTok. Crazy. No, there is no Second Life category. But there is VR chat, which we streamed a few days ago. VR chat. I wonder if one can do programming in VR chat. Second Life. Okay. So one can change the color, scale, color. Hmm. Or attributes, maybe under attributes. Color scale. Hmm. Is this the color? This one? Okay, I see. Mm-hmm. Hmm. I don't like this yellow color. Wow, that's the worst yellow color ever. How about this? Maybe this one. Can one change the terrain? No, it's not possible. Yeah, that's too. I did the deep orange. So one can change the color, the scale, which is the size, the size. Yeah, size, this one. 12, 112 is the size. Okay. Color, the scale, the value, and the attributes. Value. Okay, attributes are over here. No attributes has been added. Attributes and the value. What is the value? What does it mean? What does it mean, value? I don't know. Okay, so there are other ways to other ways to move. How do I put the properties back? So you go down there or not? Like here or here? Yeah, whatever. So we can move with like this. Then we can use E and Q to go up and down. We can use Shift to do what? What is Shift? Move the cameras lower. Okay. To move the cameras lower or faster, I see. That's strange because normally Shift in game Shift is to be faster, not to move the cameras lower. Yes, so one needs to learn new things and adapt with Shift. Yeah, it's different. Right mouse button. Yeah, the right mouse button we already tried like this, turning around. Okay, there is a light source is over there because we have also a light coming from there. I see. And then there is a middle mouse button, which is this. Drag the camera. Okay, drag the camera. Okay, this one. You can drag the camera. Mouse scroll wheel, we tried. Zoom camera in or out. And there is then F, which is focus on selected object. Okay. And then what do we have? So we have this F, what is F? I don't understand what F is. Focus on selected object. It's not really working. I don't know. No. I focus on selected. I don't know. So one can also hide the different sections. One can rearrange the positioning of the sections and change their size. So what does it mean by sections? Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. So one could learn Lua and one could learn game development. Those are two different things. Yeah. So what did I put? Okay. So there is an output window. Okay. So basically, output means if you put in a function, then you get an output. So, and there is an output window. What is that? Creator store 3D assets, visual effects to add the. Oh, you have also 2D assets in this game, in this editor. That's cool. Plugins, gameplay. Cool. Yeah, it means what are 2D assets? Oh, like images. I see images. I see. Mm. So if I go to the view tab, and then view, and then what? Okay, view and output. View. No, I don't see any output. Selector. There is a grid. Yeah, show grid is always good. Show a grid. Grid material. Show wireframe rendering. Show wells. constraint details, expand script false, collapse script false, toggle comment, screenshot. So if you click on view and output, to display the output window at the bottom of your screen, I'm not really sure. Oh, there is another thing, basically. View. No. No, I think it's up here. I think it's up here. View Explorer. Lock group color material import script. Maybe this one, script. It should be script, the output window. Or it's something else. GUI, character, terrain, part. These are the sections, maybe. It was saying something about sections. This is probably this one. Part. Geometric transform, rotate, scale, move, select. Inventory, recent, creations. Yeah, but I don't really know. What is this output thing that I have to open? How does it look like? Output. Output window. Maybe I need to click on this script probably. Okay, it's probably this one. This one is the output window that now is called script. So, and there is already an output. So we have the function that says to print the parameters, basically. So inside the brackets, this should be the parameter or not. Prints all provided values to the output. Yes, and a number of arguments to be outputted. Yes, that's basically arguments. Now it says even this is an argument. Yeah. And this is a string from what I recall. So this is so if you put it inside these, which are in between these, you can have this text basically instead of of something that you need to save basically. Yes. So there are things that one needs to normally to define. Definition. Yeah. So there are things that you need to define before you do something. So if you need to define something, and then you can put it inside these brackets. But in this case, this one is just a text basically because you have these things added there. Yeah. So the script. So and then when we have a script, we can insert the script into objects in the world. I can insert the script into a part. Yes, of course. Part is here. Is create a part. But what is the part? It's okay. Part is basically this object. So we have, for instance, this is the script parcel. Okay. Yeah, we have this object. And this is a part from my understanding. That's a block. Yeah, it's a block. It's a block. And in this block you can enter a script. Hello, just must FR. Yes, I'm learning it. Yeah, I'm learning this. Yeah, if you're still there, sorry. I didn't see your message. What is the other chat? I lost the chat. I lost the. Oh, sorry. It was here over here. The other chat. I didn't see it. No, I'm just learning the Lua for now, so there are no ideas whatsoever. Yeah. So, do you create games with Roblox Studio? And welcome to the stream. Yeah. Yeah. I also learn another language, but it's used at universities for research. It's called R. R. It's kind of similar to Python. But today we do Roblox. Yeah. I was thinking we just do Roblox and Roblox Studio. We just do that for. We develop a game called Demon Sinal Drift. Okay, cool. Yeah, I haven't played much Roblox. I play other games, but it's that's a very good program, I think, and the language is easy to learn. So, do you know other languages or only Lua? So, we were learning about the parts. So there are the parts which are blocks. No, I mean, yeah, you speak Spanish and German. Okay, yeah, wir können auch Deutsch sprechen auch. I also speak German if you want. But I mean programming languages, Programmiersprachen. Yeah, so one can insert scripts into objects within the world. So basically we can insert, which is cool. So basically I could make maybe a script and make an object like a mover, for instance. I wonder, yeah. I wonder if one can make like a Roblox avatar and use it for streams. I've never checked if there are people that stream with a Roblox avatar. But I guess maybe one could make an avatar with Roblox Studio, or one has to use no, because you have the assets on Roblox Studio. But I don't know if you can. You can actually make an avatar, probably, yes. You could make an avatar, but then I don't know if you can like animate it for I don't know, like those VR chat avatars. Mm. Let's check if so Roblox category. Are there people with a Roblox avatar, or they have VR chat avatars? Oops, I didn't read the chat or what? No? Oh, it's okay. So there is one that is using VR chat avatar. VR chat avatar. No one is apparently. No one has made a Roblox avatar for streaming. Hmm. No. Really? I'm surprised that no one has created a Roblox avatar. I know another game that is 2D pixel online game called Grotopia, and there were people using that made their own Grotopia avatar for streaming on Twitch. But I don't see anyone that made that is using a Roblox avatar, which is kind of strange. I don't know. No idea. Well, so so coding script. You can put a script into objects, and the objects are called parts in this program. So part is a basic building block. Yes. You can either create blocks, spheres, wedge, corner wedge, and cylinder. Okay. Mm. Yes, you can have different size, so blocks can have different sizes. You can have very tiny or extremely large. You can have different shapes. Yeah, sphere or wedge. Yeah. You can even combine them. Okay, you can combine. You can even combine them into more complex shapes. Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, it's everything very interesting. I mean, you can learn some basic out of this of Roblox Studio, I think, of game development, and then maybe you can transfer what you learn to other programs, which I think is actually an easier start than starting with I don't know, Unreal Engine or something like that. I think it's much easier to start with Roblox Studio. Yes. So then at least you can learn also what are the different shapes like that you can combine and stuff like that. I have no idea. I have no idea. I've never done stuff like this. Even that is a question for me. So what happens if you combine if you combine a block with a sphere, or if you combine a sphere with a wedge, or a wedge with a corner wedge, or a corner wedge with a cylinder. So I have no idea. I've never done this type of kind of things. That's why I think the Roblox Studio is a good way to start, to try stuff. Also, you can learn to apparently to import stuff from Blender into Roblox. So then I need to return to the home tab. Yeah, of course. And then I click part, which is there, yes. Okay, what do I need to do? I need to insert another part. We have already a part here. Okay, I created a part. Okay, we added a new part. Yeah. Part. Yeah, it looks a lot like Second Life, how it's made. Second Life has also the same thing. So Second Life has also these arrows. But in Second Life, you have one has in all directions arrows, apparently. Instead here you have only, I don't know what is this. Why is there an arrow coming out from the ground? From the ground. Yeah, normally on from what I recall from Second Life, one has normally there is the object, and then you have stuff like this, like these arrows coming out in all directions, basically, not only. I mean, like here there are 3 directions, okay, and in Second Life, when one clicks on an object, I think, and when one tries to move these objects, then you see the arrows that come out of the object, that they look exactly like these arrows that you have here, green, blue, and red. But here I noticed that there are not these arrows on the object, like in Second Life. I mean, I would suggest everyone that uses Roblox Studio to check out Second Life, because it's also it's a very interesting program to make 3D stuff. It's an older program, of course, but still it is also very deep, and it uses also another language, which is actually the most used language in game development, which is C++. Yeah, unfortunately, there is no category on Twitch or on TikTok of Second Life, and I really wonder why there is no category for Second Life. So strange that they then added a category, not even on TikTok. I mean, I would have never thought that no one thought of adding this category. And what about VR chat? What about VR chat? So VR chat, is it possible to program to do programming in VR chat? VR chat? Yes, it is possible to program in VR chat using officially supported system that allow creators to build interactive worlds, avatar, and fully functioning games. Crazy. Upon Node Graph, a built-in visual scripting interface that uses nodes and wires to connect logics, inputs, and outputs suitable for beginners or simple scripts. A compiler that allows creators to write standard C# code, okay, yeah, C#, which then compiles into Udon bytecode. This is the preferred method for advanced logic and complex game mechanics. Capability limitation features: creators can sync variables across networks, interact with players, scene objects to build complex behaviors like racing games, battle royales, or puzzles. VR chat does not allow modifying the client or injecting external node code. Notably, there is no built-in persistent system for saving data like levels or high scores between sessions, though workarounds exist. Security: the scripting environment is sandboxed to prevent malicious activity such as hijacking network communication or accessing local computer files. So apparently, there is a built-in visual scripting interface that uses C# on VR chat, which is a very popular game for for creating avatars, avatars and rooms, etc. And so yeah, that is what I meant before. Apparently, so a lot of these editors require languages that are on a more difficult level. So if one has to begin programming, it's hard to start with C#, for instance. C#, which is used for a lot of games actually. One like the main languages are C# and C++ for game development. And yes, sometimes you have Java as well. But Java, like Minecraft is Java, is in Java. And there are some games, but rarely they use Lua, for instance, like Roblox. But there is also, I saw there is also Garry's Mod, which uses also Lua. Garry's Mod is also a kind of popular game, which I have installed actually right now. And I met another streamer that he plays Garry's Mod. Yeah. And maybe who knows, if I could transfer maybe what I learn Lua language, I could transfer this Lua language to what I learned from the program of Roblox Studio to Garry's Mod. I could maybe create stuff over there as well, which is actually amazing, I think. Amazing. Because both, like Garry's Mod is also not as popular as Roblox, but it has a quite big community, I must say. It's from the same developer as the survival game called Rust. So add the script in Explorer over the part. Okay, so if I go to the part, which is like there, and I say I put like plus symbol. Which one is the plus symbol? It means like insert part? No. Not sure. Cut copy as to description explorer. Need to click the plus. Add the script probably. Select parent, show orientation indicator. Select connections, insert part, insert object. No, it doesn't say anything about adding a script. So how do I add a script to an object now? No, 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 no. So if I left click, it's not. So I need to use a right click. There's no other option. So how to add a script to an object in Roblox Studio. To add a script to an object in Roblox Studio, open the Explorer panel. Okay, one has to go to the Explorer panel, which is this, and then why is the Explorer panel not showing? I think it's not showing. Like over there? I don't know. Do you see the Explorer panel on? Do you see the Explorer panel on the stream? I don't think so. Yeah, because I detached it from the. Okay, let's put it back. Yeah, so you can read it. Okay, so to add the script to an object in our Roblox Studio, open the Explorer panel, locate the target part or folder. Okay, so I need to find this part, which I have there. And how do I find this part? Explorer. Yeah, okay, if I click on it, then it says the part is called part. Oh, I see. So this one is probably base plate, I think, or not? Which one is this? No. Texture. No, this is the texture. And which one is the... So, come on, guys. So I see there are two parts. There is this yellow part, which was already there, and they just changed the color. And there is another part, which is this one. And why do I see only one part over here? I don't understand this. There is only one part. And this part is not there. What is that part? Base plate. So, hover over the object in the Explorer list. I don't know. But this one is called... what is the name of this? It's not that easy to change the name of the object in Roblox Studio. Like if I want to change the name of this object, how do I do that? Insert object. No. It does only say n location something. No. Okay, spawn location. So this object is called spawn location. What? Ah, okay. No. This object is called the cal. Ah, okay. This is one. But it's not a block apparently. So this object is actually an image. Ah, okay. So this is an image. It's not an object. It's not a part. I see. This is a part, but this one is the cal. And why is the color still that color? Not sure. Let's do this. Okay. Decal. Did I change something? Like this. Spawn location, decal. And this decal has a script apparently already. This decal. No, it's not, this is a spawn location. No. This is called decal. This is called... No, is this thing called decal or spawn location? No, it's called spawn location, this thing. I see. And it has a symbol of a gear, basically. So, and then we have this part over there. Part, which is called part, which I think it's this one. Yeah, it's called part. It's this one. So, and it says add the script. Okay, so if I go like this, I can add a script, but if I right click on the object, it's not possible to add a script. I see. Okay, so oh, hello, hello, there's someone there. Oh, I didn't see. Wait. Is there someone in the chat? No. Oh no. Oh, this one is there. Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't see the other chat. Okay, William. Hello, William. Welcome back. Welcome there. If I press the cal and delete, you can see. Yeah, bye. Okay. Thank you for showing. I didn't see the other chat. I need to be careful with these chats every time. So I was using the other chat. I didn't see this. So if I press decal and delete, it means decal this one. If I delete this, or which one is this? No, I think this one is the. No, I don't delete anything. I don't. For now, I don't delete stuff. Yeah. Anyway. So add a script. So we found out a way, the way to add the script. We can do that with the plus symbol in the Explorer tab. And then we need to select a script. Okay, and what script do we select? Into the part. Yeah, okay. So we need to add this script. So if we go to part, then we say plus, and then script. Okay, we added the script to the part, and we have the script. So we have our first function, and then yes, then there is the hello world program. So with this program we can print a function. Basically, we can output a function. Functions are chunks of code that serve a specific purpose, as you learn. Yeah. So there are we have a purpose. The function has a purpose. Yeah. And the function print displays messages in the output window. Yes. And you can learn how to create functions of your own. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, one can create functions, but one has to define the variables of the function. Mm. One has to define the parameters. Yeah. One has to make arguments basically for the function. No, but I think one has also can also define a function probably. Yes, one can define a function. So instead of being called print, it says another name. Print displays a string. Yes, of course. This is a string. When you have a text, there's a string. Type of data. A string are letters and numbers that need to stay together. So we can change the what's inside this and say I want pizza, for instance. Then we need to click play. We need to do play. So now I have this, and now what do I need to do? Chats, okay. I don't know. So we have now this So how do we get to the okay, this one. So we added the script, but how do we play this script? I don't know how to, but we need to save of course we need to save this thing. Yeah, let's save this like that. Yeah, I don't know, guys, how to play the script. I think in some hello, William. On top view, open console view. No, there is no open console. I'm already on the console. This is the console. This is console. Oh, I think we need to push. No, nothing happens. No, there is like the yeah. I think I know what you mean, but I don't see. I see only this window. This is the script right zone. Yeah, there should be another one, another part with the output, but I don't find it. If I check in view, there is no view. I don't see anything here. There is not that. Zoom in, zoom out, full screen, etc. Like properties, explorer. Yeah, normally it's like here. I mean, this in this explorer. So if I go here, then one has open, view script history, duplicate, delete, name, etc. But there is no open. There is open. Yeah, maybe I can open the script. Open. I've already opened this, but it does not show any. Does not show any output. Like properties, explorer. Maybe in UI. Where is UI? Oh, maybe over there. Maybe up here. Yeah, there is a toolbox. Properties. This one is properties. View properties of objects. It's not properties. View. There is this. This is the same. Home avatar UI. This one. GUI frame label input appearance layout constraint. No. Settings character setup successfully adaptive etc. No. Yeah. What does Google say? What does Google say? How to how to how to open console output console in Roblox Studio. To open the output window in Roblox Studio, click the View tab. Yeah, we were doing that, but it's not working. It's not working. In the top menu bar and select output. There's no output. This panel displays script errors, warning, and sprint test statement. Yeah, okay, thank you, William. Yes, there should be another one that shows the error, the stuff, but I don't see it. This is the input, basically. It's the input, you put input the function, and then you get the output on another window, but I don't find how to open it. I mean, there is script, maybe this one, not sure. No, this one creates a script, I think. Is this version, maybe I have a version of Roblox Studio that is outdated? No. Apparently I can't update the version. Okay. Okay, there is also a short. On top you can see help, yes. Press window and 5, what? Window 4, what do you mean? Window. Output, oh, okay, they moved it, okay, it's an output. Okay, now we found it, okay, thank you. Okay, guys, we found it. So it has changed. It has changed. They moved it somewhere else. It can happen. Yeah. So and then let's read. So we change the code. And then we need to push play. And where do we push play? Where is play? No, I can't find play. Run, yeah, run. Okay. So if can I run this? No, I can't run it. Why not? Doesn't let me run it. Why is that? So I need to drag the script to server script service and press play button to server script service. What is server script service? Like this or what? Oh, now no. I just detach the window now, the script window. No, not like this. You need to drag the script to server script service. What do you mean? You mean this over there? No. drag. How do you drag the script? Looking script, it's inside the part. Ah, yes, it's inside the part. Yes, it's over there. Like here, this part and script. Workplace. Workplace part and script. Where do you see? Where do you see workplace? I see no workplace. Workplace. There is a script over here. Insert. Green text icon. Green text icon. Ah, workspace. Okay, workspace. Part script. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Workspace part script. Yes. Yeah. But how do I run this script? Players lighting. Yeah, players lighting. Yeah. Material service. Server script service. Okay, this one. Yeah, server script service. And what is this? Insert script, save, show services, create a new script. Oh, I see. So I need to drag this to there, basically, and delete this. Oops, I deleted the script now. Server script service, add script, and then I want pizza. Okay. So it's starting script at every server start. I see. Yeah, but still, I lost the script that was inside the object. So this script that was inside the part object is not there anymore. Or do I need to copy this script to the, maybe if I copy it, can I copy it and put it in there? Paste into, yes. Okay, then we have the same script. Starting the script at every server start. Yeah, but I mean, but why is this run button below right not working? Yeah, I was doing this exercise and to put the script into the part and then to run this. On top view, downside. Start button. On top view, downside, blue button. Where do you say that? Do you see that? Collapse? No, not view. Okay, not view. Ah, this one. Yeah, of course, you're right. Oh, there is one here. Test. Start simulation with the player. Start simulating the experience. Pause. Okay. So if I push, probably display. I see, I see. Yeah, I think it's like display. Yeah. Play. Yeah. So okay, okay. I know, I know. So we need to play the server basically. To test the code, click play. I see. So your avatar will fall into the world. You can see. You can see that is there is an output in the window, along with a note about which scripted message came from. I see. So if I push. No, I'm going offline now. It's just I did already 2 hours, and then I will come back later in the evening and do some other gig and play something probably. Yeah, but I think I just go off now. Maybe another time. So tomorrow I will be doing another language, but it is like a research language for university, and then maybe we can do it the day after tomorrow. We can do again Roblox Studio. Yeah. But by the way, William, do you have Discord? So let's go play. Okay, then I am in the world. So, okay, now we have the messages. I want pizza script 1. I want pizza script 1. Hello world script 1. Yeah. But it's still a bit confusing because every script is called the same, apparently. Workplace. This one. Okay. By the way, William, do you know Gary's mod? Because script name. Hmm. I mean, you mean that's the name of the script? Script is called just called script or what? Rename. Let's rename it. Script test. Yeah. But still, I don't get why it's not possible to run from the output below, right? There is also written run. Why is it not possible to run from there? Oh, then I need to stop it probably. Yeah, let's just stop it. Okay. And then script rename script test one rename script test two and rename script test two. Yeah, Garry's mod. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. I just was just thinking that both Garry's mod and Roblox use the same language. Yeah, yeah. I have it installed, Garry's mod, and I was talking to a guy, a German guy, and he said that he's making a server with other people, and he asked me to join them. So, and yeah. Yeah, you can, if you want to play together, we can, if you want to join us with Gary's mod, I will be doing it sooner or later with another streamer. So, so there is this, and then if I start again the script now, then we have the different names. We have test 2, and script 1 with hello world. Okay. Okay, but it was fun. It was fun. It's a easy way to learn some stuff, test some stuff, learn some language, and see something, see what you are doing, and learn the language. All right. You don't have Gary's mod, okay? Collaborate. Yeah. Save to Roblox. Lua 1. Okay. I created a world. So then I can collaborate. Manage collaborators. William. Which one is you? William 1? William 1. William. William 1. The first one? Yeah, probably. This one? This guy? I don't know if you can see it in the stream. Oh, no, there is one guy with a gray. Name and one. Yeah, but are you the guy with gray? You can see it. It's a guy. I see a guy with a gray, like gray skin, dark ones. Yeah, yeah. Like a noob. What you mean? There is a William 1, and there is William 1.5 and William 1.3. There is a William 1 with gray skin and wearing a hat or something, and a dark black. Is that you? Yeah, black hat. Yeah, that's you probably. Yeah, I added you. Yeah. You are a developer also. You created maps, really? Yeah, there was someone also here before on Twitch. He said he created a game, yeah, called Demon Sinal Drift. Yeah, I don't know. So do you have access to the game now? Hello, that guy 65. How are you doing? You're trying to see, okay? Yeah, I have added you actually. I'm good, thank you. Today we learned a little bit of Lua in Roblox Studio, yeah, of the programming language. Yesterday we learned some another programming language, but it is from university, called R. It's used for making statistics. Yes. Do you develop also games, that guy? So so if you want to check this game, Demon Final Drift. Yeah. So there was a guy today on Twitch and he said he made this game on Roblox, Demon Final Drift. You're trying to follow. on all. My YouTube link is not working, really? Okay, why is it not working? Oh, I see. Oh, I put the wrong link. Yeah, because we need to add that thing, the at. Where is the at? Oh, every time I don't find this at thing. Mm. Oh, there, I found it. Like this. Okay, now it's working. Now I need to add this and then it should be working. Then copy. I need to change on kick the link. I think on create a dashboard I can change the link. Where do I change the link of the channel? But anyway, this one is my link. And there you go. I think this one is the correct link. Check it out. In the meanwhile, I want to add it, before I forget, I want to add it to my channel as well. How do I do that? Do I change that? Hello, Zacharias memes. Yeah, this is because I didn't add the at symbol before the name. My favorite soup? Hello, Zacharias memes. Ah, you are that guy, 65. Okay. Yeah. So, do you create also games on Roblox Studio with Roblox Studio? Yeah, I'm still checking, or maybe I just do it offline. I need to do it later, probably. Okay, these are stream. No, no, I don't know how to change my channel. Or over here. Sorry, oh, I didn't find it. So I need to add an ad, probably. Maybe this is working like this. Maybe now it's working. Yeah, now it's working. Sorry, guys. Yeah, this ad thing sometimes and I don't know if did I add TikTok, my TikTok link. Yeah, TikTok is there, but it's not working as well because probably the same problem that I didn't add yet. You don't. You are on the PS5, so you can't. I see. What happened? What is going on, William? There you go. So I think I added also the TikTok. Okay, no, I need to change the TikTok. It's not working like this. So TikTok is like this. Okay. TikTok is working. Okay, now it's working. YouTube is working. Yes. Twitter is working. Yes. And Instagram is working. Yes. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, thank you, the guy for the follow. So you only play Roblox? You play Roblox, probably, yes. I guess so. Why did you ask what is my favorite soup? I don't understand the question. I need to refresh site. Refresh? What? Why are you asking me what is my favorite soup? What's going on? Oh, there is someone. Okay, you are someone. Zakaria, you are writing on my YouTube stream. I see. I see now. I see. But why are you asking me what is my favorite soup? Link is not updating automatically. What link? What link? So you are on YouTube, Zakaria. Let me check that. Do you have a channel? Zacharias memes. Is that you? There are different Zacharias. If I add Zacharias memes with an at, then okay, I found you. I think I found you. Okay, you make memes basically on your channel. You can tell me a lot from my favorite soup. What? I don't know. I don't know. I ate soups rarely. I rarely eat soups. I eat more pizza than soups. Maybe in winter I don't know. I just normally with soups I just mix together different vegetables and then I eat. I just do like probably carrots and some other things, but I don't remember. Yes, yes. I just followed you on your Zacharias memes channel. Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Do you have only do you have a Twitch as well, or you have only YouTube? I think only YouTube, right? Nice picture you have with a hamster. I like hamster. Only YouTube myself. You have a nice picture with the hamster. Meat, tomato paste, potatoes, and oil. That's it. Okay. No, I think I do like carrots and um yeah, and but I don't know the other vegetables how they are called. Carrots and I don't know. I think maybe leek. I think it's called in leek is called in English. Yeah. So I do carrots, leek. Is your hamster Hemborn? Yeah, it's fun. It's looks like fun. I like hamster. I used to have a nickname called hamster. Hemborn. Okay. So, William, did you find out if you can join the server or not? System connection status. I need to stop the script. I'm not from Russia, Zach. Oh, and I live in Germany. You can't see place shared with me. Mm. Yeah, so Vilja, so Zach, yeah, Germany, but I'm not from Germany originally, but I live in Germany. So, so need to check on Roblox Studio again. So, manage collaborators. Yeah, I know Denmark. Yes. Are you from Denmark, Zach? William. So you don't see place shared with me, but I added you. I added you. Hmm. It could be maybe because I didn't verify my age. It's not possible to add other people, but I just added you actually, so I don't know why. Oh, okay, William. You need to add me. You need to add me. Yes, just add me as a friend. Or maybe that works. I don't know. So what is this? The this ZD. So like here, and then that is my name. So maybe if you add me, what is this? Live collaborators, show collaborator selector. Oh, worum geht es in dem Spiel? Do you speak German? No, you're translating. Where are you from, Zach? Because it says user must be friend to edit. You're from Denmark. Ah, cool, cool. Yeah, I understand a little bit Denmark language, Danish language. Do you know a game? Do you know these games, Zach? Do you know Grotopia and Pixel Worlds? Do you know these games? There you go. Do you know these games, Zach? Because I know a lot of people from Finland know these games. So I was wondering maybe also people from Denmark know those games. You don't know that? Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I think maybe only I don't know why, but there are a lot of people from Finland that know those games. They are 2D pixel games, uh, similar to Terraria. Not Terraria, similar to Minecraft actually. Minecraft, but they are 2D. So so Z is 0. Did you find this? You just play Minecraft or Roblox, I see. I see. Yeah, I have a Minecraft. I play on hardcore, but I haven't played in a while. William, you still there? Over 100 crowns for Minecraft on PS5. It's crazy. Oh, it was expensive. Hmm. Yeah, it's an old game. Still so expensive. Hmm. I think I paid maybe 30 euro. I'm not sure for Minecraft. So much money. So William, what you doing? What are you doing? Ah, this is your what is this? Murat Big Fail Mir Sevci. What's that? Oh, that's your name. Ah, do I need to add you? Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to add you now. I think I need to go to my profile. Let me see. Maybe if I open Roblox, I can add you over there. Where is Roblox? Ah, Roblox is over there at the bottom. Yeah. Um, so your name is William. Okay, I need to open Roblox. Roblox. Do you say, so Zach, you said you play Roblox, right? You said you play Roblox. What do you play? I lost the message. Yeah, you play Roblox, right? Yeah, you can, if you give me your Roblox, I can add you as well to the game to the server that but we are not, I'm learning the language, so maybe you can add your stuff if you want to this place. I can add you and you can, to the server, and you can add whatever you want to it. Okay, then I need to add people, add friends. What happened? Did it get stuck? What happened? Look for people. William. So there are a lot of William on Roblox. Which one is you? I need to show you on Kick. How do I do that? No, with OBS. So if I change to Roblox, Roblox. Roblox player data. So which one is you? Which one is you? Do you see this? If I want, if you want, I can add you to my group, developer rank. To your group, you mean to your server? But for now, I'm just doing my own. I'm actually learning my own stuff. For now, I'm not doing anything. There are a lot of maps there. I see. No, but I'm just learning Lua now, and it will take time. So for now, I'm just doing that, and I'd also stream other stuff. So you are Master Zacharias. It's the first one. You mean Pasa? William Pasa. Yeah, it's just this one. How comes, William, you don't recognize your avatar? William Pasa, yeah? Okay, I added you. And William 1, also this one, I think. That's also you. William 1. And you are Master. Yes, yes. But for now I'm just learning the basics, so don't bother. Don't bother. Master. Master. And the other score is not working, obviously, because my keyboard is messed up. Some keys are not working. So underscore symbol. I really need to change the keyboard. Symbol on keyboard. Or I just copy it from here. Can I copy it from here? Yeah, I can copy it from here. Copy. And I need to paste it on Roblox. Master Zacharias. There you go. I can come school. I'm PS5, but makes me unable to join. Okay, okay. Yeah, it's okay. I'm going off. So no, we don't. Zacharias, I'm going offline, so we can do it another time. So not tomorrow. The day after tomorrow, I'm back with Roblox Studio. You don't do Studio works with. Don't do Studio works with your main account. Can get banned for something or warnings. What? Okay, then I need to make a new account, basically. Yeah, okay, I added you, yes. So, okay, let's change to Lua again. Lua. This one. So let's close this. Yeah, I will just make a new Roblox account probably, and then add you again. So, and now I can add to the server, I can add, then I will add the other guy. Pause this one. And then there is another guy. Master Zacharias to add. There you go. I've added you. So Kik and YouTube does not let me send it. So what does it? What I added you actually? What do you mean? I added you. I added you. Mr. Zacharias. What do you mean? The code. Ah, what code? Code for what? Look in YouTube. I don't know. Let's check YouTube. 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 Okay. What is this? You sent me a script or what? Okay, I just copied it. I will just save it and text. I will just save it in a file and we can check it the next time. Save. Script Zacharias means to kill the brick. That's okay. You're 10% sure it will work. Okay. I don't know. We will see. I don't know. But I'm not. I'm just doing like the basics of the basics, you know. So I have no idea what you just sent me, you know. But thank you anyway. Okay. Anyway, guys. So I'm going offline, like I said. So have a nice day. Have a nice day, and see you next time. So tomorrow, maybe tomorrow I'm back online later on. Tomorrow, not sure. Depends. But we don't do Roblox. We don't do Roblox tomorrow. We don't do Roblox. The day after tomorrow, I do Roblox. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the support. Bye bye. So close. Oh, maybe wait. I can. Are you even on? Are you on Twitch? Oh, there is someone here. Maybe I can just raid someone. So someone is here. Okay, someone is. Maybe I can just raid someone if there is. Are there other people? Because I see there is someone on Twitch. I think I can just raid to someone that is doing Roblox Studio. So. So what are these guys doing? This one Roblox Studio. This one does also Roblox Studio only. Then there is this guy. Also does Roblox Studio only. Okay, this guy does a lot of stuff. This guy does V-Rising, the finance, just chatting. Okay, this guy is more interesting. Let's go to this guy, Commander Wizard. Raid. Commander Wizard. Okay, thank you for watching on Twitch, TikTok. See you next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day or a good night. We go to this guy that is streaming also Roblox Studio. We go on Twitch to this guy. Raid Commander Wizard. Shout out, yes, but we'll give him a shout out first. Commander Wizard. And then we go give him a raid. Did the raid start? Yeah, raid started. And then raid